like, talk like, looking like a lick. Ain't a last nigga try, find really what the shit saying. All black F and tucked behind the buck.
What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Your boy LB back with another one of them things, man. One time for the one time. You know what it is up over here, eh? Check it out, though. Check it out. Shout out to my subscriber, Daryl Smalls, man. I see you, big homie. I see you. Wanted me to react to this HVZ Rain, man. A couple of y'all been want me to react to some HVZ lately. I've been hearing HVZ this, HVZ that, but I've been getting a lot of ones about this Rain, though. So for my subscribers and also for my main subscriber that wanted this, that's been on me about it, and I told you I got you, Daryl Smalls, man. So let's do it, bruh. Let's go. HVZ Rain. Hoodie, Arizona, Skittles. Salute to Trayvon Martin. Rest in peace, young homie.
My brother looked me in my eyes and told me I'm the greatest. Crazy thing about that part that I ain't even made. Yeah. Fuck these niggas talking about.
Is this dude that y'all please mistake me if I'm wrong, but is this dude y'all told me to react to like a few weeks back that's from Savannah? That's from Savannah or somewhere around there that y'all was telling me about this dude. Is this him? Let me know.
Hey, I'm feeling on the way. Got on my knees the other night and prayed to God ain't for a change. I've been going through some shit. I've been walking through the rain and asking for no handouts, need to vent, but you can't feel my pain. And all I do is cry, reminisce, and try to change my lane. Had a vision coming out there, yo, a nigga pull my brain, but I won't let that stop me. I keep it, no, I'm gon' let it bang. I ain't got no jacket or no ride, but I'm stuck in the rain. The Lord, could you help a nigga? I got so much built up pain. Tired of walking through the rain. I'm tired of all the sucker shit. Load up my clip and find them niggas. Fill them up with hollow tips. Run them down, take my mask off and let them see us kill us. Swinging blocks, we in the jungle. Ever met a real gorilla? Rob a nigga by my Skrilla. Money I don't play with. Niggas get put on shirts, that's why I gotta keep this K with. In the rain, niggas dying.
Before, matter of fact, I'm gonna wait to the end of the song and say that. Come on.
Almost cried, ain't no joke for feeling. All this youngin' in the game, crack his head like watermelon. Niggas pussy running out they mouth, they gon' get that with it. Claiming you steppin', you gon' need protection. A seatbelt, bitch, stay in your lane and make your profit. Play with you, then you gon' pop it. Rollin', bitch, no, I can't stop it. 38 all in my pocket. Got on my knees the other night and prayed to God ain't for a change. I've been going through some shit. I've been walking through the rain and asking for no handouts, need to vent, but you can't feel my pain. And all I do is cry, reminisce, and try to change my lane. Had a vision coming out there, yo, a nigga blew my brain, but I won't let that stop me. I keep it, no, I'm gon' let it bang. I ain't got no jacket or no ride, but I'm stuck in the rain. The Lord, could you help a nigga? I got so much built up, smash off. Got my hand in my stick and my mask off. Boy, nigga won't let you kill me. These for the hood, real niggas don't feel me. Real street nigga, why they wanna get rid of me? Fuck these niggas, I'm special. Draco come through, gon' test it. I can flow, see spirit in the air, bitch. Put my trust in my game, cause of that bitch game. RP fly to my brain, pimp pain. Ask these niggas, I don't play no game. Rock who nigga, do I look like a stain? Try me, I'm pretty cold to this brain. I been like this, it's a death, I'm in like this. Boy, I know this head's coming, and I'ma stand my ground, boy, I ain't never running. When it's fourth down, we gon' score, we ain't playing. How the fuck you solid? You ain't never did shit for me. Nigga, you was tripping, you was acting like a bitch to me. Fuck niggas ain't kin to me. Sit, lean, and forget, that's the remedy. Know you pussy niggas really trying to put an end to me. Got on my knees the other night and prayed to God ain't for a change. I've been going through some shit. I've been walking through the rain and asking for no handouts, need to vent, but you can't feel my pain. And all I do is cry, reminisce, and try to change my lane. Had a vision coming out there, yo, a nigga blew my brain, but I won't let that stop me. I keep it, no, I'm gon' let it bang. I ain't got no jacket or no ride, but I'm stuck in the rain. The Lord, could you help a nigga? I got so much built up pain.
That's how it shouldn't win if you ask me. Shit. For real, for real. But look, bruh. I'll say this. It's a lot of in the reality, dude. It's a lot of killing that's going down. A lot of shooting that's going down. A lot of this, a lot of that. It's also a lot of this, bro, that's going down. That's getting niggas a lot of that. You feel what I'm saying? And then it's like we get on these songs and it's like we hear these songs and get on these songs and it's like we celebrating if a nigga come over here trying us, how we'll blow, or if you come over here, or if you take, or you kill one of my niggas, how I'm going back and shooting your whole block, don't give a cool outside type shit, bro. Like, at the end of the day, even though some of it is entertaining, bro, we gotta draw the line somewhere, dude. I'm sick of going to funerals, sick of going to court dates. It is what it is. But other than that, I'm fuck with the song, but like I'm saying, it just really made me think on like just how closed in we in, bruh. You knew better, you do better. LB said it. But anyway, man, fuck all that, bruh. Let me know what you think about this, man. For real, for real. Let me know where boy from. Let me know the 411. Get at me, my man. Get in the comment box, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Tell a friend to subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. And if you rocking with this guy right here, like my guy Somerset Sean is, like I am, subscribe to the YouTube channel. LB, but what's the deal? And I'm gone.
Walk like, talk like, looking like a lick. Ain't a last nigga try, find out really what the shit saying. All black F and tucked behind the buckle.